An old woman will tell you that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. But a man will tell you that the best way to impress a lady is by cooking for her. How ironic. Well, I guess what they're actually trying to let us understand is that we all need some kitchen skills. From young students living in school or living alone to moms and dads feeding their families. It's another cozy episode of Cozy Kitchen with a capital K. And it's your girl, Eunice Felicity, on food and health communication. On this episode, we were talking about basic cooking hacks everybody should know. Before we delve further, I'd like to share a little secret with you. Do you know that there are some people who are actually shying away from the kitchen? Maybe because they find cooking complicated or even a little bit confusing. That's really crazy. But well, there are also some that are actually embracing cooking. There are some that are gifted naturally. And there are some that have had the pleasure of growing up with some talented cooks who were happy to give them 1 or 2 pointers along the way. Fortunately, there are tons and tons of great tricks that can actually help anyone greatly improve your cooking game and perhaps get a few more people interested in further developing their skills or their talents. Here is a rundown of some of the most useful cooking hacks that can benefit anyone regardless of your skill or your level. Put ice cream in a bag before putting it in the freezer. Ice cream can get rock hard in the freezer and it takes ages to thaw out just enough that you want to eat. A simple trick to keep it just the right consistency is to put the container in a plastic Ziploc bag before throwing it in the freezer. Freeze banana to use as a base for a healthy ice cream. Bananas, when frozen and then mashed up, create this, perfect creamy ice cream base that you can mix with other fruits and various toppings to create a super duper healthy homemade ice cream. Freeze a fresh herb mixture in olive oil to add to your meals. If you're a kind of person that loves adding fresh herbs to your meals, you can stock up some herbs, chop them up, put them in ice cube tray, and then cover them in olive oil and freeze them. Next time you're cooking something, just drop a cube and have yourself a treat. Dry herbs. For a more permanent storage solution, you can buy a bunch of herbs at the flea market, make your own unique blend of herbs, and then dry them out in the microwave. Put them in for 20 seconds intervals and keep turning them over until they are completely dried, at which point you can actually crush them up. Grill your fish on lemons. Fish will tend to stick and even break up when placed on the grill. But if you put it on top of lemon slices and grill it like that, it will be much easier to prepare. And it will get that, it will give you that nice and zesty flavor. That ding, that spicy flavor you've been looking for. Check if eggs are still edible. When going to the market to get eggs in crates, you just look at the beautiful and those big eggs. That's all your mind is looking for. You can't smell. Your nose alone won't always tell you if eggs have gone bad. They won't. To find out, gently place uncooked eggs in a bowl of cold water. If an egg sinks to the bottom, it's okay. But if it floats, my dear, run for yourself because that egg has seen better days. Make freeze ahead smoothies. Instead of wasting your time peeling, washing, and trying to make smoothies in a rush, you can peel them, wash them, dice them ahead of time, and save them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. It makes your smoothie thicker and juicier. Alright, we're bringing this show to a stop here. Do make sure you like our social media pages on Food and Health.com and click on the subscription button on our YouTube channel for more of these videos. A big shout out to our production team and to you, my consistent followers. Still your girl Eunice Felicity. Stay safe. Mwah.